How to copy paste on Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Capcut application on a device and select a project on Capcut application. As you can see, I've already selected a project. So if you want to copy and paste, what you can simply do is have your videos or have a project splitted so that you can copy the part on the other side where you'd want to paste it. So I'm going to select on the video over here and then simply select on the split option at the bottom left corner. As you do that, you can simply tap on the section that you'd want to copy. So tap on it and you can simply select on different options that we have at the bottom. So we can see different options over here. So let's see if we have the option to copy or not. So as you can see, we have the option to duplicate, but we do not have the option to copy. So what we can do is we can simply go back and then tap on the video and simply select on the duplicate option. Now we can simply take this video to the other section or the side, and there you go. That's how we can copy paste on Capcut. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.